Hello everyone, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome to my channel. Students, this video is for MBA Semester 2 students of Osmania University. And in this video, I'm sharing with you the important questions for the subject Human Resource Management. So this video is for MBA Semester 2 students of Osmania University, and in this video I am sharing with you the important questions for the subject Human Resource Management. So students, watch the video with full concentration. Now on screen you can see Unit 1 short questions. Unit 1 is HRM evolution. Under Unit 1 short questions, the first is define HRM. Second, what are the objectives of HRM? Third, role played by HR manager. Fourth, is HRM functions line or staff? Fifth, strategic importance of HRM. Sixth, matrix of HR. Seventh, functions of HRIS. Eighth, stakeholders. Ninth, HRM typology. So students, these are the 9 questions from Unit 1, and these are the short questions which you can see clearly on your screen, and these questions are very important from your examination point of view. And from these 9 questions, the first one, define HRM, is very important. Second, what are the objectives of HRM? This is also very important. Third, role played by HR manager, very important. Matrix of HR, very important. Stakeholders are very important. HRM typology, this is also very important from your upcoming examination point of view. So short questions from HRM evolution, Unit 1. Now on screen you can see Unit 1 HRM evolution, long questions. Under long questions, the first one, define human resource management, HRM, explain its features, scopes, objectives and functions in detail. Second, what are the competitive challenges of HRM, explain. Third, write in detail about the integrated models of HRM. Fourth, explain the importance of strategic HR matrix and HR dashboards. Fifth, what is human resource management? Explain the stakeholders and integrated models of human resource management. So students, these 5 questions are important from your examination point of view. On screen you are seeing long questions of Unit 1. Unit 1 is HRM evolution. So from these, the first question is very important. Define human resource management, explains features, scopes, objectives and functions in details. This is very important. And second is also very important. What are the competitive challenges of HRM? Explain. First question and second question is most important from your upcoming examination point of view. And fifth one, what is human resource management? Explain stakeholders and integrated models of human resource management. This is very important. So question number 1, 2 and question number 5. These 3 are very important from your examination point of view. And question number 3 and question number 4, that is also important, but the most important are first, second and fifth. So Unit 1 long questions, subject human resource management. On screen you can see clearly the questions, the long questions. Now next on your screen you can see Unit 2 short questions, and Unit 2 is HR planning and design. So in Unit 2 short questions, on screen you can see the first is HR planning, second job analysis, third job evolution, fourth job enrichment, fifth job analysis, sixth job design, seventh differentiate between job analysis and job description. So students, these are the important questions from Unit 2. Unit 2 is HR planning and design. So human resource management subject. On screen you can see short questions of Unit 2, and these 7 questions are very important from your examination point of view. From this 7, the first HR planning, second job analysis, fourth one job enrichment, and differentiate between. Seventh is also important. Now unit 2 long questions. Unit 2 is HR planning and design. On screen you can see unit 2 long questions. The first one, what do you understand by job analysis? Explain different methods of collecting information about job analysis. Second, enumerate the importance of human resource planning. Differentiate between virtual and real requirement. Fourth one, define selection. What are the steps followed in typical selection process? Fifth, narrate the various methods of performance appraisal. Sixth, define HR planning. What are its objectives, features, importance, and process of HR planning? So students, these are the 6 questions from unit 2 long questions, unit 2 HR planning and design. So these are the important questions from unit 2. From this, question number 1, question number 2, question number 4 and question number 6 are most important. Question number 5 also very important. Narrate the various methods of performance appraisal. It's very important. And question number 1 is also very important. What do you understand by job analysis? Explain different methods of collecting information about job analysis. So these are the important questions from unit 2 HR planning and design, subject human resource management. Subject human resource management is having by the students of MBA semester 2 students of Osmania University. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for other subjects, financial management, business law and ethics, operation research. So these subjects important questions are available on my YouTube channel, and important questions for the subject entrepreneurship development is also available on my YouTube channel. Now on screen you can see unit 3 short questions. Unit 3 is HR training and development. In unit 3 short questions, on screen you can see the first one is career planning, that is career planning, and what is HRD, third HR audit, fourth MDP, fifth HR accounting, sixth differentiate between training and development, seventh JIT. So these are the important questions. Unit 3 short questions on screen you are seeing. Now from these 7 questions, the first one, career planning, is very important. What is HRD is important. HR audit is also very important. HR accounting is very important. And JIT is also very important from your upcoming examination point of view. And question number 6, differentiate between, that is also very important. Now on screen you can see unit 3 long questions. Unit 3 is HR training and development. Now under that, the first one, define training, explain its objectives and various methods of training. Second, what is job instruction training, JIT? What are steps involved in JIT? States its advantages and disadvantages. Third, what is human resource accounting? Explain its objectives, needs, scopes and various methods of HR accounting. Fourth is, what is HR audit? What are its objectives, advantages and disadvantages? Fifth is, define career planning, explain its characteristics, objectives and needs. So these are the 5 questions from unit 3, important questions, long questions of unit 3. Unit 3 HR training and development. So from these 5 questions, question number 1 is very important, and question number 4 is very important. Question number 3 is also very important. First, third and fourth, these are very important from your upcoming examination point of view. Question number 1, question number 3, question number 4. These three are very important. Long questions, unit 3. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subjects financial management, operations research, that is also available on my YouTube channel. So please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends. Now on screen you can see unit 4 short questions. Unit 4 is effective HR system. Unit 4 effective HR system. Under that, the first one is define ethics. Number 2, quality of work life. Number 3, grievance and group dynamics. Number 4, stress management. Now on screen you can see unit 4 long questions. Unit 4 is effective HR system. Under that, the first one, define ethics, states its importance. Second one, write in detail about peak performance modeling. And question number 3, define stress. What are the causes and effects of stress? Number 4, define grievance and grievance redressal. What are the basic steps involved in grievance redressal machinery? Fifth, what are the techniques to improve QWL? Discuss the obstacles in implementing. So these are the important questions of unit 4. Unit 4 long questions. Unit 4 long questions you can see on your screen. So from these, question number 1, question number 5 and question number 4 also very important. 1, 4 and 5. These three questions are very important from unit 4. Long questions, effective HR system. On screen you can see unit 4 long questions, subject human resource management. Students, on my YouTube channel, lectures on the subject financial management is also available, and important questions for the subject financial management is also available. Now on screen you can see emerging trends, that is unit 5. Emerging HR trends, unit 5. Short questions of unit 5. Number 1, what is strategic HRM? Second, what is HR scorecard? Third, emotional intelligence. Fourth, define merger and acquisition. Fifth, sustainable HRM. Sixth, differences between global HRM and strategic HRM. Now on screen you can see unit 5 long questions, emerging HR trends. Under that, the first is, what are the recent trends in HRM? Explain the strategic HR and sustainable HR with suitable examples. Second, what are the HR scorecard? Describe the importance of HR scorecard. Third, explain in detail. Number 1, organizational change. Number 2, organizational design. Number 3, organizational effectiveness. Number 4, organizational development. Question number 4, what is strategic HRM? Narrate the various models of strategic HRM. Fifth one, what are HRM issues in emerging and in merger and acquisitions? Explain the measures to address those issues. So students, these are the important questions from unit 5 long questions. So from these, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 5 are very important. So students, these are the important questions from the subject human resource management, and in this video I covered all the questions, short and long questions from unit 1 to unit 5. And students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subject human resource management, entrepreneurship development, business law and ethics, operation research, and the lectures on the subject financial management are also available on my YouTube channel. So students, please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation of your upcoming examination. So students, like and share this video with all your friends. And students, if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. And students, very soon I'm going to upload the lectures on the subject financial management for other units also, and I'm going to upload the lectures on the subject operation research also. So students, inform your friends about the channel, about the videos and about the upcoming videos also so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation. Thanks for watching the video.